ready to do the scoop. I'm here with someone who is more experienced.
Yeah, I'm Paul Gantner with Gantner Capriano, and we do wealth planning and estate planning. What do you think a lawyer does?
Like handle cases and take it to court.
Yeah, and that's a lot of people think attorneys are trying to keep you out of court or trying to help you once you're in court, but one thing we try to do is help keep you out of court when possible. And so we do go to court sometimes, but most of the time we help families through really difficult transactions and paperwork and just try to make it as easy as possible.
What is your partnership with the DSAGSL?
So we started sponsoring Walk in the Park. We had some clients who asked us, as well as some friends of staff members and people in our firm that asked if we'd be willing to become a sponsor of Walk in the Park. And we wound up having such a great experience with that starting about 10 years ago that we started increasing our relationship. McKinney asked us to start doing workshops for families that work with Down Syndrome Association of the Greater St. Louis, and I think we're calling Secure Futures now to help families work through tough legal issues they might be facing. Education is one thing that we like to do because people aren't just made aware of what sorts of benefits are out there. Can we get some money for families? Can we help protect families? We're really trying to do that. But then we also love to come to the parties that you guys have too.
What is estate planning?
So estate planning is something everybody should have. It's basically what would happen if you weren't around anymore to make sure the people or the causes that you care about are taken care of. So a lot of people think it's signing a document called a will or a trust or powers of attorney, and all of those things are really good and they're tools we use, but mostly it's just, if you weren't around, what would your family do? Where's the money? Who's in charge of what types of accounts do you have? Is everything titled the way it's supposed to? So it's just being prepared in case something happens.
If you want to go anywhere in the world, where is the place you want to go?
I would like to go to Australia and New Zealand. Where would you like to go?
Hawaii.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice too.
I just want the warm temperature.
I like that too. I'm more of a warm temperature person.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport to play is softball now.
Oh, you got me on that one.
Yeah, nice. What do you? I hear you do a lot of sports.
I also do tennis sports. I do basketball, bowling, volleyball. I do powerlifting. I do soccer. What do you do actually for your services?
So the easiest way to find out more about what we do is on our website, which is yourestateMatters.com. And on there we have a webinar that we have available to the public. It's about 40-45 minutes. It talks about things that you should be thinking about. We even go over our prices and process and all of that on that webinar. Another way to get involved through Down Syndrome Association is we sponsor a new mom's luncheon too, which is really a good way to get to know new families that are part of your community.
What does make your firm unique?
I think the first thing that makes our firm unique is we try to make it not scary to start looking into some of the issues that we're helping address, because a lot of times people think talking to a lawyer or a law firm is really scary, but it's really not that bad. The other thing they say is it's expensive, and that's why whenever we work with families associated with the Down Syndrome Association, there's never an initial consultation fee, so we can always have that first personal consultation plan designed for no cost. But we also want to make sure that everything's a good fit and that everybody feels comfortable. And then the other thing that sets us apart, I think, is it's not just lawyers. In our office, we actually have 15 employees, so we have 4 lawyers, but we also have 3 social workers, and we have a tax team including CPAs, we have financial advisors, insurance professionals. So really anything that touches upon a family's financial and wealth and government benefit situation, we can handle all in one place.
How do you keep it positive work culture?
We try to have fun as much as we can, in the workplace. So not only participating in community events, but it's also we all love what we do and the people that we help. And so kind of seeing the difference in our clients. One of the nicest things anybody can say to anybody on our staff is, I feel a lot better. Just feeling better after talking to us is what helps all of us stay so positive.
Thank you for talking to me about all of your information, especially what you do.